Hello fans, welcome back to the my new YouTube guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys the tap sound setting. Guys, you don't like guys this tap sound setting guys in your phone means guys your screen tap means touch sound setting guys you want to disable. So how can you disable? Today I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we disable guys touch sound setting in our phone. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on phone sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see guys this additional setting guys, tap on additional setting guys. Friends, you can see the tap sound guys, we will disable from here. So friends, you can see guys your tap sound will disable guys, you cannot use guys this touch sound setting in your phone guys. Okay, you will click on any icon guys, this touch sound will not work in our phone. So we can operate our phone without this touch sound setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to disable touch sound. So that's it guys, bye.